this is the last part of the Whatnot haul unboxing. This is all we have left, and we're gonna unbox all of these. We have been doing this haul for literally 4 or 5 videos now, and this is the last of it. Left all the boxes, most of the boxes to the end. If you don't know, I am a Whatnot seller. I sell on Whatnot shows as well as Poshmark shows. And I'm also a buyer, and I buy items to either resell in my shows, I'm sourcing on Whatnot, or they're for me or my family. I'll let you know when I open them what I'm going to do with the item, if I'm going to resell it or if I'm keeping it. And if there's an invoice in them, I'll even tell you how much I paid for it. So if you're not following me on Whatnot, please follow me there, because I love selling amazing items. I sell 2 or 3 times a week, and I also love supporting an amazing community. So let's get started. The first one is from my friend Yolanda Sumo Sells. She is an amazing friend. She sells a lot of graphic tees, and I mostly get all of my graphic tees from her. She's pretty amazing. She's a sweet, sweet friend. She wrote me a sweet note here, and I purchased from her this is for my son. It's a World of Warcraft gaming graphic t-shirt, and he loves World of Warcraft, and I saw this t-shirt and I thought it would be perfect for him, and here it is. Isn't that cool? World of Warcraft. Super cool. It's a graphic tee from the movie, and this is a size medium, and it's for my son. So this is where this, and I only paid $5, you guys. Tell me that's not an amazing deal. New without tags. Amazing, right? Okay, let's do this one. This one comes from Lori Tata. So as you guys know, Lori, she is Lori Boston Found here on YouTube. She is selling on Whatnot. She is a sweetheart. Love her to death. Oh my gosh, so cute. Super cute. Oh, look at this packaging. Amazingly cute, you guys. I love cats. If you guys don't know, I foster cats, so this cat print is amazing. Very nicely packaged, and it's Better Together. What is it? Better Together white t-shirt, and I got this for my daughter who helps me foster, and this is from Lori Boston Fan, which I'm sure you guys all know who she is. Who doesn't know about Lori? But this is her handle on Whatnot, and she has amazing shows, and I wanted to get this for my daughter because she helps me foster kittens. Look at this sweatshirt. Ain't that cute? And the matching joggers. How adorable are these? Amazing joggers. Look how cute they are, and they're in size small, and I got them for my daughter who helps me with fostering cats, and we work with our local humane society, and we help foster kitties until they're ready to go to their forever home. And I thought this would be so cute for my daughter Izzy, and this is going to her. Amazing deal, you guys. I only paid how much did I pay? And $13. $13. Crazy deals. Crazy deals. Okay, here we go. This one is from Madison, which I believe is the teal hanger. She is from, yes, this is Madison, the teal hanger. I'm not sure what I bought here, you guys, but we're going to discover it together, okay? Let's see. Ooh, so nicely packaged. Look at that. Oh, this is from her. You guys, look how pretty. She's a professional. Look how pretty she packaged this. Okay, she does merchandise. She does reseller merchandise, and she has a merch show once a month, and it's seasonal. So she'll do like Halloween, she'll do Christmas, she'll do all kind of themes. And this was from her merch show that she had, I believe, September, October, I'm not sure. But look how cute this tumbler. It says shop second hand, and this is a reseller tumbler, brand new. She creates all of these logos. I love it. Love it. Super cute. And then I also got this tote from her that she also created herself. Look how pretty, how professional she is. She's so sweet. She's a young lady. Oh, she gave me a freebie, a little pop socket. I'm gonna put that on my phone. And then I got this tote, which was $15. And then the tumbler was $18, you guys. And she does these all herself. And look how cute. My bag of all my favorite things. And I just thought this would be a great thrifting bag when I'm out sourcing. And I can put all my goodies in here. And then she sent me an amazing little thank you card that I'm gonna, oh, she's sweet. She wrote me a sweet note that I'll read that later. But this is the teal hanger. Let me show you her handle in case you guys want to go say hi and shop her merchandise. Like I said, she has one of these once a month. And I just love it. This is for when I go thrifting. And I want to support her because she pays for college by selling on Whatnot. She's a hustler, you guys. She's hustling. Ooh, this one wants to fall. Let's do this one. It wants to be next, you guys. Let's make it next. This is from my friend Sammy. Sammy J got it on Whatnot. She does thrifted items. She also does some really fun shop with me. So she takes us with her to the thrift stores, and she looks at the items, and if we want them, we can bid on them, and she'll source them for us. And she also does liquidation pallets. And so, oh, she sent me a card. How sweet is she? She sent me a little card. Oh, I'll read that later. Thank you, Sammy. And then, do we have an invoice? There's no invoice. So what did we get? We got ourselves some Rebellious One 3X thermal top. Look how pretty. These beautiful flowers. Okay, and then we've got another one for a 1X. This is a 1X and a 3X. The same one. So, I don't know. I don't know why I bought these, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be reselling them in one of my shows, in one of my Whatnot shows, my Curvy Girl show, which I sell large to 3X. Thank you for the card, Sammy. So sweet. She didn't have to do that, but she's lovely. Lovely, lovely person. Okay, let's do this box. This one, oh my Lord, she heavy. This is Shay Jenkins. I'm not sure what the handle is, you guys. Let's see. Excuse me. I had to cough. Oh my God, it's packaged. Ugh. So well. So well, you guys. Okay. What did we get here, you guys? Let's see. It's a bag full of goodies. It's a bag full of goodies. There's no invoice. There's no invoice. Shay Jenkins. Shay, I don't know what I paid. I don't know what I bought because there's no invoice, friend. I don't know how much I paid, friends. This is a cabbie sweater top. Look how cute that is. It's cabbie. It's a knit gray sweater top. Super cute. So that'll be coming to one of my shows. I also have, what is this? What is this? A Coach, K-O-C-H graphic tee. Here's the brand. Okay. You guys, I have no idea. I don't remember any of this. Oh, and it's a kitty. It's a kitty. Look how cute that is. And the hoodie has ears on it. Ain't that cute? So this one is, there's no size on this one, but it looks like it could be a plus size, like a 1X. And it's a kitty. It says, I do what I want. Cute. And then last but not least, we have some Knox Rose extra large joggers. Oh, they've got all this embroidery on here. Look at the flower embroidery. In extra large, these will be coming to one of my Curvy Girl shows. Look how cute that is. Love it. Yay, good job. I'm sorry I couldn't give you a shout out on your handle because I didn't get an invoice, friend. Whatnot friends, put your invoices in there so that we can give you proper thank yous. Okay, this is from my friend Mackenzie Posh Boss. Mackenzie is an amazing seller. She does $1 starts, sudden death, I believe. She has shows in the evening, so for you night owls, you can come and hang out with her. This is a new with tag blouse, and I paid $6. $6. Ooh, she pretty. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. She's new with tags. Paper MT is the brand, and she's lovely. Look at the lace on the bottom. She's lovely. And like I said, she's a 2X new with tags. This will be coming to one of my Curvy Girl shows, you guys. And if you're interested in anything you're seeing here, just go ahead and message me and my Instagram, and I'll make you a good deal. Okay? Okay. This is from Jennifer Rebert. Jennifer is, I think she just changed her handle on Whatnot, and I don't know what it is. She just changed her name, and I don't remember what she changed it to. But she's super sweet friend. She has trivia shows in her shows, you guys. Oh, we gotta look how professional. Look how nice she packages everything. Look at, isn't that nice? Okay. So, oh yeah, here it is. Her new handle is Techie Girls. Techie Girls. And you guys, if you want to come to her show, she does trivia. There it is, Techie Girls. And she does trivia in her shows. And I got a Free People mini dress for $5. And then a Dusty Rose t-shirt for $1. Stop it. Stop it, you guys. I mean, the deals are insane. And look how pretty she did. She deserves that I should have paid her more. I should have paid her more. Okay? Oh, yes. I remember this one. I went from mama to mommy to mom to bruh. Yes, my kids try to call me bro. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. They cannot call me bro. So this is a 3X. This is for me. Ain't she cute? Love it. And I paid $1 for that, you guys. Stop it. And then this one. What are you, friend? What are you? You're cute is what you are. Oh, this is a Free People dress, you guys. For $6. She's an extra small. Oh, my God. She's adorable. Look at these balloon sleeves. Look, she's a mini dress in little ruffles, and then she ties in the back. She's got a little peekaboo in the back, and she's a square neck, and she's Free People. And I paid $5. I should have paid more. Jennifer, I apologize. I should have paid you more. I had no idea it was this stunning. It's stunning. Beautiful, excellent, clean condition. I love it. You guys, Techie Girls, go see her on Whatnot. Get into her shows. She's got deals, and then she does trivia. She does trivia, and it's so much fun. Okay? And we love her. We love her. She left me a little note too here. Oh, thank you so much, friend. Okay, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty. Hurry, hurry, Mama Chicky, hurry. Okay, this is from my friend True Rummage, Shay. Shay True Rummage, you guys. She does new with tag shows. She does men's wear. She does women's wear. I have bought a lot of her. She does a lot of Savage Fenty, like intimate wear. Yes, she does a lot of new with tags, you guys. She's amazing. Okay, in this show, this was a $2 clear out. She started everything at $2. I paid $4 for everything in here. 2 items, and I paid $4. I'm sorry, Shay. I should have paid you more. I just know I should have. Because she has some amazing items. Okay, here we go. Land's End men's polo shirt in size medium. It's a long sleeve polo. This will be coming to my men's show. New without tags, you guys. It's an excellent crispy, perfect condition. Yes. And then this one is, oh, and she sent me stickers. Thank you, Shay. And this one here is new with tag. New with tag. H&M Relaxed Fit Jeans in extra small. Tell me these are not adorable. Look, they're like joggers. They're denim joggers. How cute is that? I might show these to my daughter, Izzy. She might want these. What size were they again? Extra small. Yeah, I think these will fit my daughter. Cute. I should have paid more, Shay. I apologize. These are adorable. And you guys, I paid $4. I'm terrible. I should have paid more. Shay, you're the best. Love you, sweetie. Okay, we've got 2 more to go, kiddos. 2 more to go. We're done. This one here might be... Oh, this is a Poshmark. I bought something from Poshmark. Never mind. Okay, here's the last one. Dun, da, 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 of the entire haul. I literally opened Lord knows how many packages. It's a lot. It's a lot. And this box is packed. This is from Christine Marcos. I don't know, Christine. I hope there's an invoice in here. You guys, I'm terrible. I'm the worst. You know why? Because this was for Halloween. And it's November 3rd, 4th, 5th. I don't know what day we're in. But I'm opening it too late. Because I got... These are Halloween items, you guys. These girls were doing a show. And it was Halloween. And I got this Halloween top. Okay, look how cute it is. It's a little hoodie. And I got it to wear. And it's Sour Fish 2XL. And it's got graphic in the front and the back. You see that? It's like a little hoodie. And... oh my gosh. I got these Mickey and Minnie Halloween stuffed little bears. They're brand new. Excellent condition. He's a skeleton. She's a witch. He cute as that. I got that. And I was going to be a hot dog for Halloween. And I got a hot dog costume. This will be my thumbnail. Okay. Hot dog costume, you guys. Obviously, I opened this way too late. But I will try to post these in one of my whatnot shows. Maybe in the Buy It Now. If you guys need a Disney stuffed Mickey. Oh, they're both minis. They're both mini. If you guys want one of these, I can definitely put it in my Buy It Now at whatnot so you guys can buy it. And that's it. We're done. We did it, you guys. We have so many items, amazing deals, amazing items, such professional sellers. I love everything. And I just want to thank all my friends on whatnot. You guys are the best. You guys have amazing quality and so professional packaging. I love it. So a lot of this stuff is going to be sold in my whatnot shows and my Poshmark shows. So please make sure that you are following me there and then you come and hang out in one of my shows. I'd love to show you all the beautiful things that I sourced for you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Love you guys. Bye.